In this video, we will explain what a three-valve manifold is and how it operates. A three-valve manifold consists of two isolate valves and one equalize valve. It is used with differential pressure transmitters to prevent instrument overrange. Also, it allows the isolation of the transmitter from the process line during maintenance and calibration. Look at the differential pressure transmitter with a three-valve manifold which measures the differential process pressure of gas or liquid in a pipeline. During normal operation, the two isolation valves between the process and instrument ports are open, while the equalize valve is closed. Remove from service. First, open the equalizing valve. This action will balance the pressure on both the high and low sides of the transmitter. Next, close the low-pressure LP isolation valve to isolate the transmitter from the low side pressure. Finally, close the high-pressure HP isolation valve to isolate the transmitter from the high side pressure. At this point, the transmitter has been successfully removed from service. Putting into service. First, open the equalizing valve. This action will balance the pressure on both the high and low sides of the transmitter. Next, open the high-pressure HP isolation valve. Then, close the equalizing valve to isolate the high-pressure HP and low-pressure LP sides of the transmitter. Finally, open the low-pressure LP isolation valve and the transmitter is now in service. If you want to learn more about manifold valves, I recommend watching this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification.